Hey, what's up? I be running through them red lights, I don't stop at night. I got demons and they out for me, they coming for my life. I don't stop at night. It's Marley Miss. I be running through them red lights, I ain't stop at night. I got demons and they out for me.
Alright, YouTube, what it do? It's your boy Pablo 392, and I'm back with one of them things that go on top of your noggin. I'm talking about some real noggin rocker, man. It's a real noggin rocker. You know what I'm talking about? One of them this way. You ever seen somebody in the box ring go bing, bing, bing? Bing, 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 bing. That's how my videos be coming to y'all, man. I call them noggin rockers. Check this out, Savage Gang, man. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell notification so you get all these drops when these drops come. And you are able to now go to pablosavage.com and grab your merch. Go check it out, man. Go look, swipe a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Pick your color, grab one. I appreciate it. It's going to help the channel. It's going to help me grow the channel. It's going to help me bring you better quality videos for the channel. So I appreciate your support, you know what I'm saying? We down here, but man, it is a banging hot day. It says only, oh no, wait, why? No, that's my temperature for the car. It says 75 degrees outside, but this dang nigga, it feels like it's 100 degrees, but it's really 90 degrees outside. So let me stop playing on my top, drop that AC real quick, hold on. You know what I'm saying? But today I got something for y'all. It's just a simple do-it-yourself, how-to, you know what I'm saying? One of those type deals. What I'm gonna do is I gotta first go pick up the pieces and go pick up some tools. So I'm gonna head to. It's probably at like an O'Reilly or Autozone. So I'm gonna go check there first and see if they got it, and then after that I'm gonna get back at y'all because this is the bang. Like squeegees.
If we do, it'll be on the first aisle.
First aisle. Come on, ma'am, I got you. Oh, okay. Let me go this way. She said if they did, they would be on the first aisle. And as you can see, there are no squeegees on this aisle. Unless I'm looking in the wrong spot. Because I hate when you ask somebody a question and they just direct you to it, but they don't come assist you. Like, your job is to assist me. So I'm looking though. I just see the dry cloth, so I don't see no squeegees. Nope. So now I done put that to the AutoZone. Y'all see that thing looking good though, man. Bit pressure clean, all that pressure, you know what I'm saying? We had the AutoZone because O'Reilly's didn't have it. Then everybody in that bit act like they ain't see no customers or nothing. But you know how those, I ain't gonna even say that. So, hope this place always stank, bro. It may be smelling funny. What's up, brother? How you doing, man? You good, brother? Yeah, man. How you doing, man? Good to see you. I ain't never seen you in person. Oh, yeah, man. You been working? Yeah, man. Shout it out, brother. I do the YouTube and shit. Yeah, man. Shout it out. Tell them who you is, though. It's crazy.
I ain't finna tell you how I got away with this shit. I've been trying to stay alive.
That's love, brother. Appreciate that, man. Pablo Savage 392. You on Instagram, man? Hey, what the hell you doing here? I thought you'd be out of town.
I do be out of town. I'm used to just going.
Okay, congratulations on that, man. Yes, sir. Yeah. Hey, man, y'all see that boy right there? He a local artist, man. He been doing this thing. He one of those people that you just watch grow, and they just been doing their thing consistently. So proud of him, man. It's crazy seeing him in person, because when I say it's always been Instagram, bro, always been on Instagram. But yeah, man, definitely check me out, bro. I appreciate it, man. Thank you, brother. But yeah, man, we in here, so hopefully they got it. I ain't see it nowhere else. Well, I went to like I said, what I was gonna say, that's crazy, just run to people like that. I went to O'Reilly's. O'Reilly's didn't have it. So let's see if they got no. Let's see. Now I find the Tint and stuff. Maybe it's on this. I'm gonna see if they'll let me trade that one in. And we're gonna rock out just like that. Whole lot of that right there. So I definitely caught these joints. For your parts from Daytona Customs. Hold on. Cut that open. Dang. There you go. Yes, sir. Y'all see it. Comes with, like, gives you a sticker, you know. Shout out to Daytona Customs. And this is the instructions to install it. See? I like that. Got instructions on there, how to set it up. I don't think I need no, like, I bought a squeegee. I got my Windex right here, microfiber cloth. We in there. I should just put y'all on the headset, but I know this battery about to die. So, all right. So, all right. So you just spread on there. I should have went and washed the car first before I did it, but I washed the car after the fact. You know what I'm saying? Bottom, so you can see. You know, when you're doing it, you just find a center point right there with the camera. Same thing I had to do with the wicker bill. It's a point right there, You know what I'm saying? You line up I guess you line up these two arrows. You see those arrows right there? You line them up on there, and then you just place it down, squeegee that thing on there. So listen, that's gonna be the end of this video, man. I just want to give you another piece of advice, man, when you do this job. First, shout out to daytonscustoms.com. You know what I'm saying? That's where I got the tint overlay from. What you want to do is when you putting it on, I made this mistake. When you putting it on, make sure you leave the surface wet. So keep the Windex on there, lay down your overlay so you can adjust it easier. Me doing it when it was dry made it a little bit harder because I had to put it. If you see the video, you see me peeling it off, putting it back on. That doesn't work. If I had left the surface wet, it would have been easier to adjust, which y'all probably already know that, but oh well. It's fixed now. So then you'll see in the next video that I did make the adjustment. I did get it corrected. So yeah. But make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Hit that bell notification so you can get all these drops when these drops come. I'm only bringing noggin rockers. I'm only going across the dome every time I get on the camera. In front of the camera. You know what I'm saying? But that's gonna be it, man. I appreciate you guys. We're going up all 2021. Let's get me to 2K. We're working, we're grinding, we're out here hustling, trying to make this happen. 2K, we're on our way, baby. I appreciate y'all, man. Thank you. Bow. Peace.